Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to personalize your account or your profile on the Perfume sClub application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then tap on the profile button down below in the right side corner of the screen. And then you should tap on my account at the top. Here you should add your name, your email address, then your gender should be selected as well as your language. Then tap on the update button. If you want, you can also change your password at this section by typing in your new password and then clicking on the change button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.